In this example, we want to determine what is the value of f of 5 for the function f of x equals 3x minus 2. It's important to note that when we use function notation, f of 5 means what is the value of the function when x equals 5. It does not mean f times 5. So we want to know what f of 5 is. So in our equation, we're going to substitute 5 in for the x. F of 5 equals 15 minus 2. F of 5 equals 13. Now, unlike grade 9, where you don't use function notation, if you have a letter, you're generally used to doing the inverse operation on that letter. We don't do that here. Function notation, this is finished. You don't have to divide both sides by 5. This is your answer. So we're going to write this answer as an ordered pair. So we always write the domain and then the range in our ordered pair, or the x and then the y value. So for this example, our domain is 5 and our range is 13. Then we also want to figure out what is the value of x if f of x equals 10. So our equation or our function again is f of x equals 3x minus 2. This time we know f of x is equal to 10. So this whole term gets replaced by the number 10. And I'll try and write a little less messy. Now we're going to solve for x, so we're going to add 2 to both sides to make that a 0 pair. We're going to get 12 equals 3x. We're going to divide each side by 3, and x is going to be equal to 4.